Hey there, Escambia County Public School teachers, and welcome to your Spring Spotlight on apps for iPad. Now today, we're taking a closer look at Draw and Tell HD. It's very important that you've downloaded the HD version of this app. We're going to be showcasing the blank paper option, coloring pages, and then your students' drawings. Let's begin. From this screen, we're going to go ahead and choose blank paper. Selecting that brings up this screen where students can scroll and then select the paper option that they like. Once I select one, that page will appear. Now clicking the crayon at that top brings up your different options. You're going to see along the side that you can choose different types, and you can also choose different colors. So for here, I'm sticking to that crayon and I'm selecting different colors as I draw. Now you're going to see those color selections along the bottom. If I choose a paintbrush and a new color, that's going to change the way it looks. Selecting the sticker, I have some different options that I can explore. Clicking one, I can make it bigger or smaller. Tapping outside removes the box. At the top, I'm going to choose this butterfly, which is a stencil. This brings up different options. The students will choose a stencil, and they can make that stencil bigger or smaller depending on their preference. Once they've made that selection, they're going to color in their stencil, and then tapping outside of it removes the stencil, and the design is left behind. Back on the start screen, let's go ahead and choose coloring. These coloring pages are going to appear for students. Students will make their selection, and the page does appear for them. Again, that crayon brings up their different mediums that they can use. This time I'm choosing colored pencils. Tapping on any object will allow me to color. If I want to erase, it's as simple as tapping. Again, they have the option to add stickers if they would like. And then we're going to just continue to fill in by tapping based on our color choices here. The microphone at the top allows students to record if they would like, or if you give them permission to do so. If they make a mistake, it's as easy as clicking the undo button. The back button brings them to all of their drawings. They can move them around, select the photo or the trash can. The photo option allows you to save to your photos, and choosing the trash can allows you to delete. And now you've explored Draw and Tell HD. Hopefully your students can get creative. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out our other apps for iPad videos.